Hello everyone and welcome back into my channel again, dear students. Hope you are all doing well and hope you are preparing for your makeup examinations. Don't forget to mention in the comments how are your papers going on. Okay, in the makeup examination, is it like supplementary examination or really a makeup examination? Okay, so don't forget to comment down. So let me discuss in this particular video the passing package or important questions for the subject Introduction to Electrical Engineering if you are having the backlogs. So stay tuned with me. I will discuss some important questions over here. So BESCK104B or 204B, is it a subject code? This is the passing package for your makeup examination. Model wise important questions are here. Okay, so with the block diagram explain hydel power and solar power generation. And next super important question, state and explain Ohm's law with its limitations. Write the difference between conventional and non-conventional sources. Next we have super important question like state and explain Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law with examples, and make sure you will go through its numericals, which are very simpler ones, by using Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law. Next, with the neat diagram, explain the general structure of electric power systems using single line diagram. Last question we have, what are the different methods of electric power generation? Explain with the neat sketch or block diagram nuclear power generation method. Okay, so now we have model second. Define the following by referring a sine wave: amplitude, cycle, frequency, RMS value, form factor and peak factor. So these are small definitions, 6 marks question it may be in the VTU examination. Next we have super important one, that is show that the current through pure inductive circuit lags the applied voltage by 90 and average power consumed is 0. Draw the wave shapes of current, voltage and power. Next we have derive an equation for the power consumed by an RC series circuit. Draw the waveforms of voltage, current and power. Explain the generation of three-phase AC. What are the advantages of three-phase system over single-phase system? Next we have with relevant diagrams explain the concept of line values of voltage and current and phase values of voltage and currents in 3-star and delta connections. Next small definitions again, real power, reactive power, apparent power and power factor. Next we have obtain an expression for RMS value in terms of maximum value of an alternating quantity. Next model third, we have some super important ones like with a neat sketch explain the construction of various parts of a DC generator and the purpose they serve. Next is with the usual notations derive an EMF equation of DC generator, derive an expression of armature torque developed in a DC motor, and what is the significance of back EMF of a DC motor. Next we have write down the classification of DC generator, explain the characteristics of DC shunt motor, explain the speed control of DC shunt motor with neat diagram, and you should practice some numericals from previous year question papers and model question papers. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you are not getting the papers. I will upload them on my Instagram account. Okay, next we have model 4, derive the EMF equation of a transformer. It is the super important one. Explain the various losses in transformer and how they are minimized. Show that a rotating magnetic field is produced when a three-phase balance supply is given to the stator winding of a three-phase induction motor. Write the difference between squirrel cage and slip ring induction motor. Explain the working principle of single phase transformer and its necessity in power system, and some numericals from previous year question papers if you are convenient. Okay, as it is the mixture of numerical and theoretical portions, so there may be 50-50 paper or 60-40, I can say that 60 theory or 40 numericals, or sometimes 60 numericals and 40 theory. So it is all about the luck. If you are having the luck, then definitely you will get more number of theoretical questions. Next is model 5th with a neat circuit diagram and switching table. Explain two-way and three-way control of lamp. With diagram explain the working of MCB and fuse. What is earthing, and with neat diagram explain any one type of earthing. Okay, next is a define unit used for consumption of electrical energy and explain the two-part tariff with its advantage and disadvantage. Next last question we have, what is electric shock? Give the list of preventive measures against the shock. So these are all important questions which should be at your utmost priority. Go through these questions, try to revise again and again so that you will clear the subject in this makeup examination. I wish you all the best for your examinations, dear. Make sure you will share this video to all your friends who are having backlogs in this particular subject. Thank you.